Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Now I know you guys haven't seen me in a while, but I'm here, just busy with a lot of stuff. Now today I'm going to give you a ackee and shrimp recipe. Now it's just a simple recipe, not too much ingredients. Here's my shrimp, here's my ackee, and a list of herbs and seasonings that I'll be using in this dish. Now guys, I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Check out my videos. I have over 100 videos. Just check them out. Let's get this show started. Now guys, here I see I have some oil being heated. So now I'm going to be adding the herbs to the pot. You know my colors already, so you know I love to dice up a lot of bell peppers. Even when the recipe doesn't call for so much, but you know I love that. My garlic. My onion. And a little jerk seasoning. Just to give the shrimp a little spice. You just want to saute that for about 3 minutes to get all of those potent juices out of these herbs. So guys, when next you join me, I'll be adding the shrimp. I'm just going to give this a few minutes to simmer. Now guys, I'm going to be adding the shrimp right away. Mixed it in, get all the colors mixed in. Now I'm going to be adding some black pepper, pinch of salt, just a touch of all-purpose seasoning, and just stir that in. And just give that some time to saute in. So guys, now I'm going to be adding the ackee. And just mix it around. It smells so good. First time trying this dish. I've been thinking about it for a while. 'Cause you know, ackee can cook with anything, which is meat kind, or you know. So I've been thinking about it and I said, why not try it? I have shrimp, I have ackee. So I say, oh, I'm gonna try it. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the color. I'm just gonna leave it to simmer for a while, guys, and next when you join me, I'll be showing you the final presentation. Look at that, guys. So what I want you to do now is join me at the table. Let's eat. Look at that, guys. Tell me what you think about the presentation. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.